Have you read the same, sir? Have you read the contents of your content of it?
Yes.
Complete affidavit. Do you swear that the contents of the complete affidavit is true based on your personal knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you understand that any untruthfulness in the complete affidavit may result to the filing of charges for perjury?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Ano ito?
Ano ko lang kasi nire-refer mo ako. We have on file a counter affidavit filed by respondent Mr. Clemente G. Enrique. Pero sa'yo lang po.
Apa. Ay. Okay. Ano ito? Ito.
Hindi. Yan, tama.
Ito. Pipinda din ito.
Nagre-record.
Ah, ganun ba? Ano?
Napagsulta.
Sir, kayo po tayo.
Prosek, gusto rin ng video. Okay ba?
Sige sir, ano lang po ha.
Souvenir niya.
Sige sir, stand up please. Please your right hand for...
Sorry.
Mr. Enriquez, do you swear that your counter affidavit contains the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the contents of your counter affidavit?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear that you executed this counter affidavit voluntarily and you are not coerced?
No, sir. Yes, voluntary.
Okay. Do you understand under oath that any untruthfulness in the counter affidavit makes you liable for charges of perjury?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.